Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing video. I feel it is very important for me to unbox videos whenever I order anything from China so that you can trust what I teach and also trust me. So guys, I decided to change my wardrobe, and oh my god, my mind just told me something now, that am I the one that decided to change my wardrobe, or is my husband that decided to change my wardrobe? Oh my god. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know if I should apologize to my mind or I should apologize to my husband. Oh my god. Anyways, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My husband actually decided to change my wardrobe. He gave me some money that I should, get some stuff for myself. And as you all know, I don't buy things from Nigeria. Whatsoever I wear and buy, I buy them from China. Even my children wears and etc. So guys, I want to I want you to join me to appreciate my darling husband. Baby, thank you so much for this. I'm so grateful. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your care. Thank you for being the husband, like the real husband that you are. Thank you so much for always putting me and our children first. Hey, baby. Oh, yeah. Go. Come here. Yeah? I'm doing something. Thank you so much for always being the real man that you are, being the good father to our children and always taking care of us, taking care of all our needs. Thank you so much. May God continue to provide for you, bless you, and replenish your pocket 100-fold, I mean 1,000-fold. Amen. I love you plenty. Mwah, 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 mwah. See guys, don't mind me. You know one thing about appreciation. Appreciation gives room for more. Okay, when my husband gets to see this now, he might even, decide to throw me another money to get more stuff, right? So guys, I feel that was very necessary. So guys, let's dive right into the unboxing. I can't wait for you to see what I have got inside here. But before we dive right into the unboxing of this package, I want to show you how I ordered everything from the beginning to the end, how I ordered, how I sourced for the product, how I placed the order, how I made payment, how I tracked the goods, and the amount I paid for the shipping fee and everything. So I'm going to show you everything before we dive right into the video. So guys, just sit down, relax, especially for those who have not done importation before, those who have been looking for ways how it is done. Just watch this video and also watch my other videos so that you can learn how to import from China. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So guys, these are the products I ordered, which I'll be unboxing shortly for you to see. So I'll be clicking on each of the products now for you to see the pictures and the prices. So if you want to know the naira price, the price in naira, just multiply the price you are seeing here by 112 naira. This one here, I got it for just 1,000 and some change. This particular trouser here, I bought it for just I think 2,800 or thereabout. So guys, I'm going to drop the links to this product in the description below. So after you finish watching this video, just go to the description to access the links. So if you want to order the product, you can easily use the links to buy them without having to be looking for them all over the website. So it makes it easier. So the next stage is to show you how to track the goods. I've made payment. So where there is 9, it means the payments have been made and is ready to be shipped. So the next stage is for it to move to the moving vehicle. So you can see that about 8 of them has been moved to the moving vehicle. So the next stage now is to track them. Once it is showing green, it means it has been received. If it is showing moving vehicle, it means it has not been delivered. So this one is showing received. Green means received. So I'm going to go to my shipping company's website now and log in, then check if what
I is showing receipt has actually been received by the shipping company. So these are the tracking numbers. Look at the tracking numbers there. That's how to track your goods. So for you to know, and this is the weight to 0.44 for one of the products. So this is how to track your goods, how to order, and how to track them to make sure that okay, your goods has been received. So when you track them like this, you will know that okay, everything has been received, and you know the weight and the amount that you will pay when it arrives Nigeria. So guys, this is basically how I ordered all the products and track the goods until it gets to my destination. This is the pickup message from the shipping company for you to know that your goods have arrived and ready to be picked up, the amount to pay in naira, the address to pick up the goods and everything. And this is the payment I made for this particular goods. So guys, let's dive right into the unboxing.
Welcome back, guys. How was it? I hope you enjoyed watching and you have learned one or two things. So, guys, let us dive right into the unboxing proper.
My people, see, being a mother, an entrepreneur, and a content creator at the same time, it's not easy. Oh. So, guys, today let me gist you what happened. I went out to grind raw pap. Then the rider delivered the goods. I said, okay, let me quickly do this unboxing before I go into the kitchen to start sieving the pap, then later cook, bathe the children and all that. My people, it was after I finished making this video before I realized that I was sweating like a e-goat, as you can see in the video. Man, after I saw the video, I didn't know what to do anymore. I was even doubting in my mind, should I post this video like this or I should leave it? I said in my mind, I say, originality is what people want to see, right? See, this is me being myself. So guys, see, please just ignore what you are seeing right now. Just see me as being me for who I am, right? So guys, don't forget to just watch this video till the end. Look at all the beautiful products I ordered, and don't forget to patronize me if there's anything you want to order from China. Don't forget to send me a DM on Instagram, or check out my phone number somewhere on this YouTube and send me a DM. I can help you procure anything you want to order from China. Check out all these products now. Look at good quality products that I order from China. So guys, I am available for one-on-one training. Hey, look at these beautiful jeans. Check it out. Good quality. I've actually ordered jeans from China before, but the quality was not as good as this, but the price is different though. So guys, don't forget to patronize your girl and watch my other videos. Support me for what I do. Look at this turban, me and my daughter twinning with this beautiful turban. You can order this, it's very cheap. I think I bought the two for just 500 naira. Yes, the two piece for just 500 naira. So, guys, don't forget to patronize your girl. I am available for one-on-one training. If you have anything, physical training, I'm also available. If there's anything you are finding difficult to know about this importation training from the videos on YouTube, come, let me teach you. If you want one-on-one training, just send me a DM on Instagram or Facebook or TikTok, or chat me directly on WhatsApp. I have my WhatsApp number somewhere on this YouTube. Check it out and send me a DM. Look at this two piece. This one is quite expensive. Yes, quite expensive. I got it for like, I think almost 10,000 naira without shipping fee. So with shipping fee will cost like, let's say 13,000 plus. So guys, it's a very good quality, as you can see in the video. Very good quality. So please don't forget to support your girl on this YouTube. Share my video, watch my video till the end. Support me, refer me to other people I can teach your staff. If you have any staff in your office that you want me to teach them how to import from China, or you have an event, please don't forget to send me a DM. Look at my baby girl rocking her Paw Patrol slippers. Paw Patrol. So, guys, this is one tool that I love so much that I'll be doing a review on it pretty soon. It is for cutting of vegetables. I'm going to do a review on it in my next video. So, guys, don't forget to patronize your girl. Please continue to enjoy watching this video. My baby girl loves her slippers so much. The slippers is very cute and it's very cheap. I got it for just 1,000 naira. You can also order for your children. So, guys, thank you so much for watching this bag. I love this bag so much. It's very portable and good quality. As you can see it in the video, good quality. So, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. That's my baby girl's lunch box. She likes it. It's very hot. It's a 304 stainless steel lunch box. You can also order it for your children. It comes in three different layers. So you can order one layer like this one. You can order it in two layers like the one I bought. You can order three layers as well. So, guys, don't forget to always watch my videos, subscribe for more videos,
Okay, the
turn on your
unboxing are
notification bell
finished.
so that you'll be the first to.
Last but not the least, oh my, this is beautiful. Gosh, check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. How do I look, guys? You know, some people, when it comes to this importation, some people think you cannot order one piece. But yes, I'm here to tell you that you can actually order one piece. You can see this, right? This is one piece. I just unboxed from this carton, just one piece. Look at this handbag, one piece. Look at this, one piece. The jeans, everything, one piece. Because I bought them for my personal use. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing video. If you are interested in ordering from China, do well to subscribe to this channel to see more of my videos and check out my importation playlist to learn how to import from China at the comfort of your home. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to drop the description. I'm going to drop the links to this all these clothes, everything I ordered. I'm going to drop them in the description below so that you can easily access the product if you want to order from China. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to drop comments, like, and also share my video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.